Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that subscription button. Make sure you click the notification bells button as well so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And let's go on and start with this video. Obviously, don't forget to give this video a like. So in this video, we're gonna be looking at the iPhone 11. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. Now, I know I'm kind of late to the party, but better late than never. So the iPhone 11 came out a 6 months from now. So this is kind of a 6-month iPhone 11 review of sort. Let's see what comes inside the box. Now, obviously, if you've not noticed, this guy has already been unboxed before, so I'm gonna be re-unboxing for you guys. This is the box in all its glory. As you guys can see there inside, you have a little space for the camera button. I know previous iPhones actually didn't have that. And then you have the actual iPhone itself, which we'll put on the side. Inside the box, you get your design by Apple in California. You'll get some stickers inside. If I can just find them, you get your stickers inside as usual, as per normal. And then you have the power brick. You have the headphone, earphone, earpod as they actually call. And then inside you have your lightning to USB-A cable. Only the iPhone 11 Pros come with lightning to USB-C. So let's put that back because we're not going to be using that. We're going to put this guy back as well. And we're going to put the power brick back. So let's put that on the side. Now, the iPhone itself, as you guys can see in all its glory, it has two cameras behind, one standard and the other one is kind of ultra wide. Let's remove this plastic here. I actually just stuck it back so it can seem like I'm actually doing a real unboxing and you guys can see exactly how you should expect the iPhone. Now, alright, so the iPhone 11, unlike the previous iPhone I was using, comes with the Face ID, does not have a Touch ID. I actually would really appreciate if the new iPhone 12 or even the following iPhone comes with some sort of touch sensor, because it's actually really much easier for me, as I always say in this iPhone video, to use the touch sensing capability of the phone to unlock it other than using the Face ID. You're also going to be getting wireless charging on this guy, which is actually something good. It comes with a 6.1 inch display, similar display as the display that came on the iPhone XR. Yeah, it's actually quite big. I know I said that I prefer the size of the smaller iPhone SE, but I could easily get used to this guy as well. So in terms of I/O inputs, you have the power button, you have your lightning connection down here, you also have your speaker grill and your microphone grill. You have power volume up and down button. You have the silence rocker down or up there on the side, and you have the place where you put your SIM right there. So just in terms of the display specification of this guy, you have a liquid retina HD display. You have a 6.1 inch diagonal all-screen LCD display. It's multi-touch. It has a screen resolution of 1792 by 82 pixels. It has True Tone. It supports haptic touch. In terms of the camera itself, it comes with a dual 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide angle camera. The ultra wide camera has 2.4 aperture and 120 field of view, and the wide has 1.8 aperture. It is capable of recording 4K up to 60 frames per second, and then the front camera is also a 12 megapixel camera and an aperture of 2.2. So one advantage that this device has as compared to the previous one that I was using, the iPhone SE, is that it has this huge display and the phone itself is kind of massive as compared to that one, which means the battery on this guy is also going to outlast that phone. So if you are one of the people that's been crying about the battery life of that device, this should actually be one option to consider. Obviously, if you are not saving up to buy the new iPhone 12 when it releases in the country. So this is gonna be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about this device, the iPhone 11, and I'm going to try and answer all of your questions, and should probably bring another video comparing this phone to the iPhone SE. So make sure, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up, obviously, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.